Hi students, welcome to the problem solving session on causality and stability. Right here we are going to find causality and stability of a continuous time system. For discrete time system I will post some other video. Here you see we have to see causality and stability. But what they gave is h of t, impulse response. We know from chapter 1 causality and stability is defined by bounded input produces bounded output for stable system, right? If output is a function of only present input or past input, then we can say it is a causal system. These causal and stable are talking about input-output relation. But here they don't give input-output relation, they give only impulse response. For this, we know that a system is stable and causal. We have two conditions. For causal system, I write properly. For causal system, the impulse response h of t must be 0 for t less than 0. This we know. For stable system, the impulse response must be absolutely integrable. That means you must be able to find the integration. These two conditions are satisfied means then the system is causal and stable. Okay, let us see. First problem is h of t. H of t is equal to e power minus 3t. Right? Okay. How can we solve? First we check whether it is causal or stable, whether this is existing for t less than 0. For yes, of course, this is e power, I can write e power minus 3t. This equation can be written as e power minus 3t. Okay, I write properly. For t is equal to positive, yes or no? This is impulse response is e power plus 3t for t is equal to negative. So yes, right, t negative means t e power minus of minus t e power plus 3t. This indicates h of t is not equal to 0. H for t is less than 0. This condition. For t negative, impulse response is not 0. So the system is non-causal system. First. Okay. That's the first condition. Second, we have to check stability. Stability, we have to find that whether it is absolutely integrable or not. H of t dt must be less than infinity or not. Let us check that h of t they have given. So minus infinity to plus infinity e power minus 3t dt. Okay. So this is t takes plus or minus value. The integration is with respect to t. So I take only t minus infinity to minus 1. That means t is negative value I have taken. T is minus infinity to plus infinity. So t negative means it will become e power plus 3t dt. Okay. And plus 0 to infinity, t is positive. T is positive, so it will become e power minus 3t dt. Right? So now what will happen? Okay, so the problem is we cannot go up to minus 1, then I have to take e power 0 also separately. So I go for e power minus infinity to 0, right? Okay, so integration minus infinity to 0, 0 to infinity. So if you integrate this side, what will happen? E power 3t by 3 minus infinity to 0 plus e power minus 3t divided by minus 3, 0 to infinity. What will happen? E power 0 is 1, 1 by 3, e power minus infinity is 0. Right? So here e power minus infinity is 0 and minus of e power 0 is 1, minus 1 by 3. So plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, it is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is less than infinity. That means the integration is, the h of t is absolutely integrable. We got the finite value. Right? So what's the meaning? This implies the system is stable. System is stable system. Okay, simple. So what is the thing? We have seen that first question. So the system is non-causal but stable. Okay, next question is e power minus 2t u of t minus 1. Okay, e power minus 2t u of t minus 1. So h of t is equal to e power minus 2t into u of t minus 1. Here you see, we know that u of t value will be 1 only when t is greater than 1. When t is less than 1, it will become 0. Who will become 0? U of t will become 0. Why? When t is 1, it will become u of 0. When t is greater than 1, it will go up to minus infinity, it will become u of infinity. U of 0 to infinity, u of t is 1 for t is greater than 0. So this function exists only for t is greater than 0. So t is greater than 1. That implies h of t is 0 for t less than 0, because when you substitute t is equal to 0 itself, it will become 0. T less than 0 minus 1 means u of minus 2, u of minus 2 0, so h of t will be 0. U of minus 3 0. So t less than 0, the impulse response is 0. So the system is causal system. Okay. Now what we have to do, whether it is stable or not, right? So e power minus 2t, let us see that integral minus infinity to plus infinity. For stability, it must be absolutely integrable. So e power minus 2t u of t minus 1 dt must be less than infinity. We know t exists from 1 to infinity only, so no need to go for minus infinity to plus infinity. So 1 to infinity e power minus 2t. When t is 1 to infinity, this will be having a value of 1, right? So for t is less than 1, t is less than 1 means it will become 0. So anything multiplied by 0, the integration will be 0. So that's why we change the limit from 1 to infinity, e power minus 2t into dt. Okay, so this will become e power minus 2t divided by minus 2, 1 to infinity, e power minus 2t, integral substitute limit means it will be 0 minus 1 by 2 e power 2 minus 2 into 1 e power minus 2. So it will become 1 by 2 e power minus 2, which is less than infinity. E power minus 2 is some finite number. So surely it is less than infinity. So h of t is absolutely integrable. We got some finite value. Therefore, the system is stable. So the second system is causal and stable. Right? So we got the second one also. Okay. Second one is causal and stable. What about third one? T into e power minus t u of t. Right? Okay. You see, from the question itself, we can say it is causal system. Why? Because u of t exists from 0 to infinity only. When t is less than 0, h of t will become 0. Yes or no? When t is less than 0, u of t becomes 0. So h of t will be anything multiplied by 0, 0. So h of t is causal. And we have to check t in e power minus t u of t is stable or not. Okay, let us see. H of t is equal to t into e power minus t u of t is stable or not. Okay, for stability we have to know absolutely integration. So t into e power minus t u of t dt, that is equal to the integral u of t varies from t is equal to 0 to infinity only. This integration from minus infinity to plus infinity. So just to change the integration from 0 to infinity. Why? When you go for t less than 0, this will become 0, u of minus 1 0, u of minus 2 0. So integration will become 0. No need to find it. So t into e power minus t into dt. When t varies from 0 to infinity, u of t value is 1. That's why we made it as 1. Okay. Right. Now we integrate 0 to infinity t into e power minus infinity. Right. What will happen? Right. We have to integrate. Right. Integrate u dv formula. Right. So this is what u dv. This is u dv. So it is u. Okay. right? So how can you integrate u dv? It is u, first you write u as it is, integral dv, u dv, integral u dv is equal to uv minus v du. Okay, so this is dv. In the dv means you have to integrate this, so e power minus t divided by minus 1, that will come here, right, where integration is from 0 to infinity minus integral v du, right? So minus integral v is nothing but, what is v? It is e power minus t by minus 1, it will become plus 1. Du is 1, so it is dt. Are you understanding the logic? So you apply this. This is u, dv is this one. So dv is e power minus t dt, means this implies v is equal to e power minus t divided by minus 1. Substitute that. So what is the thing happening here? I want to find minus t e power minus t 0 to t. Okay, this I can write as t by e power t 0 to infinity plus this is also integral goes from 0 to infinity. This we can integrate as e power minus t divided by minus 1 0 to infinity. Okay, so here what is the problem? When you substitute t is equal to infinity, what will happen? It is infinity, this is also infinity by infinity. So we cannot do directly. What you have to do, whenever you are having infinite by infinite, you have to use L'Hospital rule, differentiate numerator and differentiate denominator individually. So what will happen? So it will be minus, you take it outside, differentiate numerator 1, differentiate denominator e power t only. Now we put 0 to infinity. Plus this is e power minus infinity, e power minus t2, it is minus 1. Okay, let it be here itself, 0 to infinity. Now if we simplify, what you get is so this one 1 by, when you substitute infinity, it is 1 by e power infinity, that is 0, right? When you substitute 0 1, so 1 by 0 1 minus 1. Okay, so next what will happen? You substitute plus e power minus infinity 0, right, and e power 0 1 1 minus 1 plus 1. So right, so it will be, what do you get? 2. This is minus 1, this is minus of minus plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2, which is less than infinity, right? So the integration is absolutely summable, so the system is stable only, right? So we got the finite value, it is not infinite, so the system is stable. Third system. Fourth system, sine omega t. What is sine omega t integral? Okay, so h of t is sine omega t u of t. So whenever we are having u of t, surely this exists for only t is greater than 0, t less than 0, this is 0. So integration h of t is 0 for t less than 0. Why? When t is less than 0, this will become 0. So anything multiplied by 0, 0. So h of t is 0. So this means the system is causal. See, whenever your equation is multiply u of t, you are damn sure impulse response is causal. Right? No need to check it. Then I have to find the integration for stable system. So for stable system, minus infinity to plus infinity, mod h of t should be less than infinity. Right? Sine is absolutely integrable. So this is stable system. Okay, so that's what we have to do. How can we find whether our system is unstable system? For example, r of t, you take this h of t is equal to r of t. So if you find minus infinity to plus infinity mod h of t dt, we know r of t exists from t is, r of t is equal to t when t is greater than or equal to 0, 0 t less than 0. So the integration goes from 0 to infinity, because integral is with respect to t. H of t is r of t. R of t is nothing but t. Yes. So it is p dt. What will happen? Integrate t d squared by 2 0 to infinity, infinity. So it is unstable system. Yes or no? So h of t is equal to r of t is unstable. And another thing is, this is causal. Why it is causal? Because r of t exists for t is greater than 0. When t is less than 0, r of t 0, so h of t is also 0. So it is causal system. Right? I hope you understand all the problems. If you have any doubt, please ask me in comment section. Thank you.